Okay, so consistency with your bunker play will come from being consistent with where you hit the sand. So this little exercise here will help you notice where you're hitting the sand a little easier and change your posture and position a little bit so that that becomes consistent. So the first thing we're going to do is make a line in the sand, and that, for the moment at least, is going to be our target. So we're going to set up to hit the line as our first point of contact with the sand, and we're going to put it about halfway between the middle of our stance and my left heel. So, and from there I'm going to put a little more weight on my left foot because I want my shoulder to be in front of the line, because that's where the ball is going to be when we contact the sand. In front, remember, we want sand, then ball, and then exit sand. And if anything, we're going to try and hold the shaft of the club quite upright because we want the bounce of the club to be the bit that's presenting to the sand rather than the leading edge if we lean the shaft forwards. So just those three simple things about setup. That's the position you want to hit the sand is halfway between the middle of your feet and your left heel. Your left shoulder is going to be ahead of that line, more or less over your left foot, and the shaft of the club is upright. And we're going to walk down this line now, trying to make contact with the sand in the same place. On that line, let's see if we can swing through and make contact with the line as we make that swing. When you feel you're hitting the sand pretty much in the same place each time, that's when you can start to introduce the golf ball. We'll put a couple of golf balls in here, and we do the same thing. We're still trying to hit that line in the sand as we swing back and through. Remember, halfway between the middle and the left heel, the shaft is upright and we've got weight on this foot, and we're going to hit the line and follow through. We're going to hit the line and follow through. And once again, we're going to make sure our weight's on this side, and we're going to hit the line that we've been hitting in with our practice swing and follow through. So first job, line in the sand, hit as many swings as you can and as many as you need until you hit that line consistently as the first point of contact with the sand, and then add the ball in afterwards, and that will start to improve your bunker play. If you can be consistent where you hit the sand, you'll undoubtedly be more consistent getting the ball out of the bunker.